Hello there and welcome to 11 Plus Mock Tests. We're starting with the first test, which is on non-verbal reasoning. Have a look at this example in front of us here. So we have in total 5 boxes on our left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just have a quick look at the pattern in this question here. So in the first box, we have a small dot. In the second box, we have a dot and a circle surrounding it. In the third box, we have dot in the middle and 2 circles surrounding the dot. And in the fourth box, we have 1 dot and 3 circles surrounding that particular dot. So in this fifth box, we're looking at a dot as well as 4 circles surrounding that dot. And in this case, B is our most appropriate answer. So one of these squares have been left empty, and one of the 5 squares below should take the place of the empty square. So good luck with this particular test, and good luck with these questions. In total, there are roughly 22 questions in this particular test. Good luck. Thank you.